Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So congratulations, we have made it to the end of 2020. I don't know about you, but this has been a completely crazy year for me. And I know for a lot of us, it has been very unexpected, the way that things have gone and the way that things have changed this year. But one of the awesome things that I have noticed is that the art community really grew. Due to a lot of people being stuck at home, they wanted to take up a new hobby, and a lot of that was art, which I think is awesome. So I've heard from a lot of people that had not done art in many years or had never ever done art before, that all of a sudden now are being super creative and doing all kinds of art projects. And for me, I think that is so amazing. It makes me really happy. That's one of my biggest goals in life, is to create more artists. So in that sense, this year I think has been fantastic. Additionally, I hit some very important milestones this year thanks to you guys, including reaching over 300,000 subscribers on YouTube, which is just insane, and getting to over 160,000 followers on Facebook. The support from you guys has been just phenomenal with all of your nice comments, your suggestions, your help, everything. I really appreciate it. And here is a look at some of your favorite videos from this year. With a lot of you, I was stuck at home most of this year, so I created a lot of videos, over 400 to be exact. That sounds insane. I did start doing some live paint nights online to keep you guys occupied and doing a lot more videos just to help you guys out. Here are some clips from my favorite videos. One of the major changes this year was that a lot of things went from being in person to online, and that includes my courses. So I went from doing some in-person workshops and classes to having to put everything online. That actually ended up turning out awesome because that means that internationally I can help teach people the skills that I love playing around with. So this year I put out 4 courses, which is also a bit insane. I did my free acrylic pour quick start guide, the online acrylic pour workshop, 50 acrylic pour techniques, and fluid art that sells. These are phenomenal courses, and check out what some of the students are saying about these courses. This year I also did a ton of fun collabs. I think more than any other year, actually. And I've done collabs with people from all over the place. I was able to do a few in-person collabs, and then I did a lot of socially distanced collabs. So here are a few fun clips from those. Lastly, this was the year of the split cup. I cannot believe that it's been less than a year since I came out with this thing. But since coming out with my original single split design, it is now kind of exploded into the double split cup, the triple split cup, and then most recently now with a 32 ouncer. That's kind of fun. Anyways, so if you haven't tried your split cup yet, make sure you get it and try it. It is tons of fun, and here are some of the things that I have created with those split cups. There you guys have it, a quick recap of 2020. I managed to get through the year without running out of toilet paper, which is also an amazing accomplishment. And I really appreciate everyone that sent me gloves when I was running out. I don't think I would have been able to get all these projects done without that. So I really, really appreciate that. Let's all look forward to 2021. I know that it's going to be amazing for all of us. It really is. And as always, I have an open door policy. Please let me know if there's any way that I can help you. Thank you so much for all of your support, and I'll see you next year.